Want to know how to delete your account in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to remove your account permanently and delete it. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just simply open up your Dola AI application. So it should be just like this right here. So we have also created similar videos on how to install Dola AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here, and in order to delete your account, you should be heading towards your profile settings. So for that, on the bottom right side, just simply select your profile. And on the top right side, you should be seeing this clear icon. Just simply select that. You should be under your settings. Now just simply select Dola account right here. And now on the bottom, you should be seeing two options: log out and delete. So just simply select delete account right here. Now once you click delete account, just simply select delete once. Add a password for confirmation, and you should be good to go. And that's it. You need to also know that this can't be undone. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. See you on the next one.